budget system, finance system, blame me strong. So time you go riddle shop. You me compete. So now you country play you me small money for what to where you me just achieve the last 40 years, play me raise up, but you me got a big man, where me pick one, lo value plus money, play me come compete, 3 million you compete, and me come compete with them 30,000 vatu. So how now you expect them, play one if I know to, and me grow, play one day and me stand up, also one independent. CIIP program, and me come, and me introduce 3 new land act. And one law based land act, yeah, one of them call them public land act. CIIP, and me come through the Kapman Blow Moana Green Party. And lo time, yeah, Mr. Ralph Regan-Vanu, lo CCP, and me minister blow land. For them CIIP program, time me question him on Narvala side. Time me talk about say, mo siya pa mi kam. Question, paliliwa ya levate. Land levate through lo valuation act, you make him money vate Salem crown, even him. So, in not up lo make him say, CIIP program, I carry more families only come, so next 3 years, pa mi ko lo 8,000 to 11,000 new citizen. So paliliwa ya levate. Minister lo land lo time ya, and we must introduce one new pultos. Pultos ya play me push equal island or you call them public land act. Families as established. Time public land act, and me land lo malakula. Pa Muscat subdivision. Time subdivision it taken place. Who pa ni pem crown? Pa emi allow MM, plo emi kami pem crown. Today subdivision lo public land act it take place lo. Blackman Town, lo White Cross, go from Blackman Town, lo Tana, iapen lo Lakatoro, iapen lo Santo, iapen lo every island, and maybe one must because of the Kapman policy. Okay, maybe Kapman me look lo Narvela side, but picture when me want them put and me want worriness for next 40 years, 2020 to 2060. Suppose me continue lo thrift, so by me want them sit them aside. Point them out, some weaknesses, suppose you may continue blow you may run lotis for the track. When that might happen, time public land act can introduce only friend family investor, only come inside the country, only never kasim Tana, only never kasim Malakula, only go through lo top lo with me all real estate company. And then me some pay out all the Crown Island. And time where you may stop go, Pampa emi come, emi compete lo evate. Ni Vanuatu emi no sabe compete with them. And now pa emi ko compete no all island. Time emi stop go inside. You mean Vanuatu you make got one weaknesses play me because emi dispute. Weaknesses ya. Plo you make it read lo weaknesses ya. Kapman emi mas introduce one em or they call him land dispute act. Land dispute act emi can block it read lo all dispute with happen lo all places one you may want to got development. Families, the minimum says, as you may start tribe town, but you need them 40 years, you got all problems. Now you are full of leaders, full of church, only pray, full of political man, only stand up, only talk, full of money looking vision, full of money to put new roadmap. Families, problem, but you may move forward. You may must describe him, criticize him, one way happened the last 40 years. And then you may say, put him, one new think, you set them up, one new roadmap. One other site we happen, the country. Time CIIP program, and me introduce, and me come me weaken him. And today, Kapman Plo Yumi, the last 40 years since the CRP reform, time search with them parak to fly out the 2001 through the one motion, when them wake up man the phone party me take over through the late Honorable Prime Minister Nata Pelo time, yeah, and me introduce one them call them competitive. Competitive, you mean say, you make a big money come with them big millions of vatu, play me compete with the one small man when me struggle. Problem we happen in the country today, you through the competitive, yeah, you make them say a cap man and me create one or you call them open policies. For example, me for one the last 11 years, 10 years, me reside on Amburu. And me no work. But me stop, me got one small money, me pay one small room, me rent inside, me sleep inside. After me full my room, me 20,000. But me start one retail shop. Time you me talk about them how you me thrifted away lo vision belong all fala. competitive system we come inside the country since after the CRB reform. And competitive, and we been introduced also one policies after we Kathmandu Fonogo Party, and we lead him country after we shares mo parak to establish inside after long instability period we through one motion when we call time here. This is how competitive Emi been slow him down or weaken him only for not to business people. When it happen, me take one example for me especially. Before me stop inside the area of Anamburu, me own one retail shop. And when it happen no time, yeah, inside lo this small room, me been rent them lo 10,000 fatu after me must make a small narvala savings lo me spend them lo me full map shop lo him. Me start full map shop lo 20,000 after lo 1 year, me slowly me stop grow. And time me stop grow, policy yeah, competitive and me come inside. Time me come inside, me notice him say, lo one timing when me sit down na, me find them out say, all through law when me call them open policies, and me allow them all people, all businessmen, we only got all big money. And now time me start full map 20 to 30,000, and competitive policy, and me allow them all outside friend, especially all Asian. Only come inside the country. Time only come inside, only pay same license for retail shop, and then only allow to come close up lo Yumi only Vanuatu. And then me sit down, me find them out say me no have make him after 2004. Me must broke down. From say while me full map small store room ya lo 10,000 or 20,000 fatu. And then all Asian only come inside, only full map lo 3 millions. And me find them out say me no got customer. Every local people inside a residence lo Namburu only must scope lo only shopping inside lo all Chinese shop lo area lo Namburu. And then slowly me broke down. And me find them out say me wano mo. Today me find them out say lo area lo Namburu every retail shop owner we only Vanuatu only no sabe wake up. And tayo mi luglulo competitive, emi no kill him all retail shop on ano mo, emi kill him all indigenous ni Vanuatu, where the karam license lo side lo carpentry, lo any narvala business, where only one run him lo country. For example, a nakamal, you want to make a business lo kafa, any business activities where you must introduce lo country. Now you me karam all big businessman, only come inside with the millions of fatu, only compete with them, you me also small man. Or you me citizen, you me want them raise up. But somehow me no sabi raise up. Today, lo all pakyat, lo Fila town, also Namburu area, kasam 7 star, only Vanuatu, only collapse. Today inside lo freshwater, also small store, only weak. From, you me allow big money come inside. And now me sicknesses, where you me face them lo policy, competitive policies. Where me be introduced after the CRB reform. Today you may find them out say Time Privatization Act we form inside law CRB reform and me weaken him every business people where only on them all business law country Vanuatu. People in me weak emi date emi no sabi. Who it is step him? You know got one man ask him question. Time fishen me stop grow me come find them out because me one victim. Lo 2002 me happen be directors or partners with one ni Vanuatu when me run one insurance company. And after 2 years me sit down now me find them out say lo 9 o'clock morning time me go open them door and me find them out say all police only must come. Plo oli karem chain mo lock, oli hangem chain lo to. After me must go outside. Time me tulay go inside lo return tax, plo find them out, look him say, people are notice and me stop finish. Say insurance company and me no more exist. So you want if Vanuatu where you want them insurance properties play you also one truck or one cars, you no must go register inside. After me question, pe country me plo huya. Mo, when now we make me wrong, look country blow me, suppose me want them run one business. And then me find them out insurance company and me must broke down. All business owner, you want carpenter. You try and blow on one business to country. Today you find them difficulties, you don't have compete with them all big man, all big businesses, especially all those where you got big money. Question blow me say, how na ba mi sa raise up? Pero yumi build him, yumi talk about economy. How now yumi sabi in full, as ni Vanuatu in Chichinis. Pero yumi part play economy. Pero yumi build. Today yumi na sabi make him. E menemi one problem lo last 40 years yumi look him. Ni Vanuatu emi no mo control the front line. For example, you talk about them number 3 ko kasum airport. We control the front line. We mo ni Vanuatu business owners. So emi kan one big problem. Suppose you may stop watch him. And me also one screen is to watch him. And to that time, all anti-craft mama, you stop Salem, all souvenir block country, also one Vanuatu. Now yeah, you know you Salem. All friend blame me, only come to, got that only Salem souvenir. Question blame me say, we are in Vanuatu. And me something where maybe Kapman, you must look back. Plo make him say time you mean talk about tourism, you must own him because tourism and me visit only come outside the country. When him now only want them look country, yeah, only should look him live on what two and me in full and me part play him. Once upon a time, me create one tour and tour yeah, they call them Karongo Road Market Eco Tour. Me spend them close to 300,000 plus. Plo me pay him calorite. Plo only produce one brosa. Plo mi karang prosaya plo mi display lo hotels mi must spend 50,000. Plo mi ka member plo Vanuatu Tourism Association. And then at the same time emi now pa emi allow mi plo mi putum ol prosalo hotel. Mi busy plo mi travel around lo hotels lo villa. Me find them out say all prosa plo mi after 1 month is got one visit I me pick him up because time you go lo front desk. You find them out, say, you got all priorities, all tour. And all priorities, yeah. And me all tour, we all foreigners, only on him, the country. And then me must go around, me pick them up, me collect them back, all prosaplo me. So, me get me question, whenever me wrong, who am me? Me man Vanuatu, me feel free to make them business. So me find them say, you me only Vanuatu, you me strike all country, me. No, how now you me want to make a business? Because we are no longer control. You me allow them all friends play me, you come me all right, you me compete. But only this. As a citizen. How na ba you strong you strengthen them one even one two businessman. How na ba you make him one businessman and experience. To that time me go lo tenda port lo side lo all carpenters. You may find him you got one dispute, you got one conflict. Because you me all local carpenters, time you me go lo you me apply from tender port, you me compete now with them all big man. Well you got big money, well experienced. Then me Mr. Question say how na pa you man Vanuatu ba you me experience him. Plo you me got good experience plo you grow lo country plo me. So today after 40 years you me stop around town now. Plo you me completing one 40 years period. When I'm now in the next step lo 2020. Lo next 40 years. As you me stop look down one law last foreign policy where me lo look plo me want them to describe him some disadvantage. When we look him lo foreign policy, or we only call them Pisa Plus. Pisa Plus me one program. Pisa Plus time me come in, you may find him out here. Emi weaken him. Emi weaken him. Decision making lo policy makers lo all indigenous state. Also you me Vanuatu you me one lo gada. Time you talk about indigenous, you talk about them all indigenous people lo Pacific. All Melanesian brothers. You may got history, you may got crown, you may got resources, you may got everything. Time policy mi come in, especially the Vanuatu. Me no sabi all Nepal's country play me also Solomon or PNC or all other country. But the Vanuatu time Pisa Plus mi come, maybe mi could one side. Maybe mi come lo mi strengthen them. How you mi sabi crew? Lo decision making. But lo narvala side, and mi weaken him. One lo first program plan, and mi weaken him. You me lo pili lo you me also one independent states. At the moment, citizen lo Vanuatu and mi drift out. All one loan for something with Pisa Plus program, and me come, let me introduce him, and when I'm only call him RC scheme. RC scheme, and me come in, maybe me go to one for the site. Because you mean it, me go car money, me come and build. But as you listen, me want them talk about him, how na RC scheme, and me weaken him believe you me. Man Vanuatu. Lo pili po lo valer dalam si you me independent. Pa you me no mo you me make him. Lo on land play me. Also what chapter 12 me dalam si land belongs to Castomona and descendants. That's mean you me independent, you me build, you me take him crown. Okay, you look at marriage scheme. Question to me. As a citizen, you stop, you listen. Maybe me could play you go carry big money lo one short time. Pero long run, and me kill him nation. Because today RG scheme, and me make him all village lo island only empty. All young fella parents, mama mo papa, only thrift away lo liko carry money lo farm. lo Australia municipal. Maybe lo emi one good side. Pero narvala side, time citizen emi stop move. Emi come back, emi me weakening mentality blame. Mind blame blow emi